years I've come to learn that talent, gift, and language have the power to connect people from different places. Thanks to Film Space community, I, The Real,
and I, CJ Curtis,
we were able to meet and create contents in my country, Tanzania. A wonderful place to visit, explore, and capture moments of different styles. These moments create hope, motivation, peace, and an inspiring feeling to people across the world. For it's we photographers, filmmakers, content creators that take visuals we see for everyone who is not able to see with their own eyes could see them through ours. Dedicated to Film Space.
Let's do that at sunset.